So this is the second live test of CCTV control room. We're calling up all the cameras one by one. About 80 cameras have been called up and configuring the algorithms, the compression rates to make sure that we have the lowest latency before we now start working on the video analytics, license plate recognition, facial recognition, and all the rest of it. Then we'll be ready for His Excellency to come and commission. It's the first of its kind in Kano State by His Excellency Dr. Abdullahi Umar Ganduje, OFR, Cardinal Islam. His vision has brought this great project to life, and hopefully before the end of this month, September, everything is going to be in place for commissioning, including all the patrol vehicles to complement. You can see right there is a shot of police officers on duty, traffic officers. So when there's any incident, it's very easy to resolve from the control room. So we're here together supporting the state government and in extension the federal government of Nigeria to improve security, drive foreign direct investment, and upgrade the socio-economic lifestyle of our people. May God bless the good people of Kano State, and may God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Amen.